Of astronomy recycling itself there. Last night's debris coming in. Our Windjammer resort camera this afternoon, Lauderdale by the Sea, showing lots of high clouds out there, which is kind of dampening the sun a little bit. But look at the seas. They are nearly flat. Conditions are looking good and will be similar tomorrow afternoon and tomorrow evening once we get through a round of mainly morning storms. 88 right now in Miami, 87 Fort Lauderdale, Hollywood. That's the other good thing, is that we are rain cooled this afternoon, 90 in Key West, and 8 on the sticking scale. That's the bad thing. It's very humid out there. Feels like 97, a southeast breeze, an inch and a half of rain from the very slow moving storms that were draped across the area during the lunchtime hour. Those storms have moved on to the west and southwest, but big storms now over the west coast from Fort Myers down to Naples, and some of those storms could be heavy. And storms are marching their way through the middle Keys and headed eventually, I think, towards the lower Keys. So if you're out and about this evening, keep an eye to the sky and be aware of that. Those thunderstorms contain some gusty winds as well as a lot of lightning. Our feels like temperatures now, the hot spots in southwest and South Dade. 102 in West Kendall, 103 in Homestead, but everybody else in the mid to upper 90s. I know it's hot, but it's not as hot as it was yesterday when we were 98 on the thermometer. Wind southeast right now across the area, and the satellite map through the day today showing the east coast sea breeze blowing up there as it was moving very, very slowly inland. Now tomorrow the winds will be a little bit stronger, so the east coast sea breeze will march more quickly inland, so mainly morning storms and afternoon sunshine. Bigger picture showing that things remain unsettled. There's a lot of moisture off to our west. Moisture draped over Florida, but for us a little bit drier air is going to come in just in time for tomorrow evening's fireworks display. Not so good for the west coast of Florida. And then as we go into the weekend, though, lots of moisture around, shower and thunderstorm chances increase as we go through the weekend. Out in the eastern Pacific, it's still Category 4 Hurricane Barbara. Beginning to weaken a bit. There, a weakening trend in store. Good news, though, the Atlantic, it is quiet. Tropical development not expected. Here's our forecast for tonight. Going to be a pretty nice night, warm and humid. Some storms late tonight. A low temperature near 80 for tomorrow. Mostly morning storms. That activity slides inland. Steamy afternoon sun, but some high clouds and a high near 92. For boaters, winds out of the southeast at 10, 1 to 2 foot seas. A light chop on the bays, and taking us through the rest of the weekend. Tomorrow, the driest of the days, and then increasing wetness as we head through the weekend into next week. Back to you.